Friends, welcome back to the class after your winter vacations. So, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 7, Microsoft Word 2010. In this chapter, we are going to learn what is MS Word, what can we do using MS Word, and how to start MS Word. MS Word, that is Microsoft Word, it is a word processing software. Dear students, as we use our notebook to write the words and sentences, similarly Microsoft Word also allows us to type the text on a computer. A word processor is an application software that helps us to type, edit and format the text. That means using MS Word also you can type the text on your computer, and after that you can do editing. Editing means you can do changes in that, and then format the text, which means you can make changes in the looks of your text. That means you can decide how your text should be appear in MS Word. Now let's learn what can we do using MS Word. Type text as well as add pictures in the document. Whenever we have to type something, we will be using this MS Word, and not just typing the text. Even if we want to make a greeting card, so we want to add some pictures in that, so we can do it using MS Word. Then making changes in the text such as inserting, deleting, copying and moving the text. That means all that changes can be done on a same place. You can type the text, and after that if you think this is not correct, you can do changes in that. And changes means you can insert more text, you can delete the text that you had already typed, you can copy the same text and that paste it number of times, and also you can move the text from one place to another place. Next is give a presentable look to the text by using different colors, styles and effect, which means you can decide how attractive your text should look. You can change their font color. When you are going to write in the notebook, you are having a single pencil, right? But here you can change the color of your font as well as you can change the style. That means your handwriting style will also get changed in the MS Word, and you can also give some effects in that. Can keep the document error free by using spelling and grammar feature. That means if you had done some mistake and you had turned this spelling and grammar feature on, it will automatically going to indicate you that here you had done a mistake, so we can correct it easily, right? Find and replace the text. Here you don't need to read the whole page for finding just one word. You can simply use this find feature, and then you can see where that word is exactly placed in your page. So you can use this find feature and also replace the text. Replacing means you can change one word with the another. Suppose you had write third A, but your section is third B. So you can find where I had written third A and replace it with third B. So you don't need to read the whole page again. You can simply use find and replace option. Next one is set the margins, spacing, paper size, page border easily and give a neat look to the document. Now what does mean by margins, spacing, paper size? Here it means you can, margin means you can leave some space on the sides of your paper so that when you are going to write, there should be a neat margin on the sides. In the same way, when you are going to write on the notebook, you saw there is a margin on the left hand side where you are going to write the question numbers. In the similar way, you can give a margin in the MS Word also. Spacing, you can decide how much space should be there after each word or after each line. Paper size, here you are having one more authority. That means you can choose the paper size, which means you can decide your paper should be big one or you just want a small paper. Then the page border, so here you can apply the page borders too, and that will be done very easily, and this will give a clean and neat look to your document. Save the text for the future use. Suppose you had written something on a piece of paper and then you are going to lost it. Then you can't read the same thing again. But here you get a feature to save the text for the future use. That means once you have write your text, you can save it and then you can use it even after 1 year. Print a part of your document or the entire document. After writing the text or typing the text on the MS Word and after inserting the pictures or give it a clean look, you can print that document. That means all the text should be printed on a piece of paper. Now the question is, how should we start MS Word? For that, first of all you need to click on Start button. After clicking on Start button, click on All Programs and then click on Microsoft Office. There will be a folder of this name, Microsoft Office, and there are number of options of Microsoft Office. So what you need to choose? Microsoft Word 2010. Okay, so let's repeat it again. Click on Start button, click on All Programs, click on Microsoft Office, and in this folder Microsoft Office we will be finding this option. So we are going to click on Microsoft Word 2010. That's it for today.